Let's find some tutorial videos for all the RF people who have commented me RFS tutorial videos like that they need. Um, what? What? It's like freaking 33 minutes. It's like you are going to waste 50. It's like you're going to waste 30 minutes of your life by watching this video. Let's see, can I complete this tutorial? I think even less than 12 minutes I can make a whole tutorial on RFS. Okay, this is my challenge today. I want to be the fastest tutorial guy ever existed. Not like any other gaming tutorial, but RFS tutorial guy. Like, and I'm not gonna complete with this thing, but I'm gonna complete with these guys. Yes, these guys, not the RFS official one, but the other tutorial people. So let's go.
Okay, so we are in China, Beijing right now with the Airbus A320neo, and okay, let's start our tutorial. Our time starts now. Okay, so let's come to aircraft systems. No, first go to ground power unit, ground system, and go to ground power unit to give electrical supply to the aircraft, and then if you understand on the ACU, and go to loads, give passenger door. Okay, and if you guys need a checklist, because I don't need a checklist, just give a checklist if you guys want it. Okay, then go to parking brakes. Okay, just set it up. Okay, then go to APU for generating power without the engine, and then what is it? No smoking. Okay, no smoking. Then seat belt signs on. Fuel quantity. Okay, ground power units, load. Okay, passengers, I think I would like to take 100 and not 134. I would like to take 134 passengers. Okay, and then cargo door open and fuel detached truck open. Okay, so our parking brakes does check, APU check, non-smoking check, seat belts check, fuel quantity. Okay, fuel quantity is 1008 kg. If you guys want to increase it, then just increase it like this and decrease it like this if you want it, but I would prefer it like this. 1000. Okay, 1000 is enough for me. So yeah, recharge the fuel. Okay, fuel quantity done, passengers done, cargo door done. Okay, then okay, well, oh my god, that's my bad. Checklist, engine start. Okay, aircraft system, push back. See, if I turned on the APU, that's why the electrical supply didn't go on. Okay, now it's not night time, so I don't need, I guess, beacon lights. So engine number 2 and engine number 1, because okay, over here, go to engines, engine number 2, engine number 1, done. APU, after the engine goes clearly boosted up, then just like turn on the APU. Okay, it's 20%. Engines are clearly boosted up. The APU is off right now. So see, the electrical supply is not gone yet. So the plane is pushing back, and let's turn off our checklist for a while so we can get a clear view. Okay, so over here, as we can see, our runway is right here. So if you guys want, you can just check the map like this. Yeah, like this, and go towards the runway. But as I don't want to waste my time, so that's why I'm gonna just teleport it right there. But I'm not gonna hit the pushback part over here. Okay, yeah, pushback off. Okay, parking brakes off. Then push it to thrust. 30% is enough, I guess. I think 17% is better. Okay, then let's take the aircraft towards the runway. Okay, so as I don't want to waste my time, I just want to go runway takeoff, and boom. Okay, it's gonna go and teleport towards the runway. Okay, I'm back. So, put the parking brakes off, put the flaps in 2%. Yeah, 2% is better. And then, you don't need the checklist, just follow my rules, okay? And then go over here, put it to full thrust. I'm going to put the sound a little bit low, and so you guys can hear my voice, okay? I'm a better teacher. Okay. So,
80 knots.
80 knots makes it clear for V1. V1 is the time you push the...
V1. Rotate.
Okay, now take off.
Positive rate.
Positive rate means pull your gear up.
Gear up.
Okay, as you can see, the aircraft is doing very well. It's taking off. Okay, now you need your autopilot. Okay, so it's 3,000 feet. Okay, we are already in 1,000 feet. So yeah, let's put then press the navigation. Flaps up. And see, the flight will now follow the flight path right over here. And now let's do our landing, because I'm too lazy to do the full flight. We are in Kolkata right now.
Gear down. Flaps.
Okay, so aircraft is coming. Very good, very nice. Spoilers armed. Runway number 1 right. Okay, that's a very beautiful number. Runway number 1 right. Hope I can do before 15 minutes the whole tutorial, because that guy is like highest, like he did 2 tutorial videos on RFS. One is 15 minutes, another one is 30 minutes. So hope I can beat the record. Even the 10 minutes record is like better. Push, pull. Okay.
Sum Ting Wong, Wee Tu Lo, Ho Li Fook, and Bang Ding.
Touchdown.
Sum Ting.
Reverse thrust. Brake smacks. Yes, Airbus A320neo stopped. Finally. Oh, so our record is 8 minutes 12 seconds. I guess I explained you everything about this flight simulator. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to our channel, please. Yeah, it's really needed. So yeah guys, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll hope to see you in my next video. Till then, good night. Though the plane looks very nice in this neo livery.